how to add music in Canva video. Now, in order for us to get this done, we're just going to go ahead and basically look for music. Say, for example, I have it here on this particular folder. Now, I can just go ahead and drag this one right here and just basically drop it here into the video. And as you can see, you were able to see it here already. Now, to arrange this one or to fix this one in order for it to sync to our video, I want you to go ahead and drag the playhead here at the beginning, and then you can just go ahead and drag this one right here as well. Now, if say for example you want to extend this one, you can definitely drag it just like so in order for it to fit to your video. Now, after doing so, you can just go ahead and play this one just like so. And now you are able to hear your music. If you want to make adjustments to it, go ahead and click this one right here. And then you can also go ahead and add a fade effect here. There you go. So you want to have it fade in just like so, and then fade out just like so. Go ahead and adjust it here. And yeah, from this point forward, you can then go ahead and share your file. And that, everybody, is how you are going to get this done.